Welcome to This Bytes for You. Whether you're looking to update your AMD CPU or maybe make the switch from Intel over to AMD, we got you covered. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing and an overview of the AMD Ryzen 9 3900 XT processor. This is going to be a short and simple video on everything that comes inside of the box and is going to lead into a much bigger and better video where I show you from the ground up how to build a PC using this guy. We've already done a few unboxings, so make sure to go ahead and check those out as well. Those are going to be part of that overall system. But anyway, come over here real quick and let's get started. All right, here she is again. The AMD Ryzen 9 3900 XT, 3rd gen processor, PCIe 4.0 ready. Kind of a snakeskin pattern here, it looks like, with the Ryzen circle. Built to perform, designed to win. Zen 2 architecture, AMD socket AM4. Box includes AMD Ryzen processor and installation instructions. Again, don't worry, we're going to go over everything in the next few videos. Very important to note, thermal solution must be purchased separately. All right, so let's open her up. I like this box, plain and simple, but still kind of nice looking. Whoa. All right, nothing along the top. And I forgot to mention that when it's in the box, you can see the CPU right over there. AMD did send me this processor. Going to put this aside just for right now. All right, AMD installation instructions for AM/FM2 plus, AM3 plus, AM4 and socket TR4 SP3 processors. Again, you don't need to worry about this. I'll go over everything in the next few videos. But just basic information on that. Okay, and this is a nice little foam packaging. And really, is that everything in the little foam packaging? This is an entire brick, but that's basically it. It's yeah. All right, so then this is the CPU itself. Don't throw this package away in case you're going to upgrade to a different processor. You want to keep this, that way you don't bend the pins or anything. So just open her up. All right, and first off, you get a case badge. AMD Ryzen 9 case badge. Pretty cool. And then we have the processor itself. AMD Ryzen 9 3900 XT. So this bad boy is a 12-core, 24-thread processor based off of AMD's TSMC 7nm FinFET process. The base clocks on this guy are 3.8 gigahertz, and the max boost clocks are up to 4.7 gigahertz. Mind you, of course, you can overclock it. Just make sure you have some good cooling. Comes with 6 megs of L2 cache, 64 megs of L3 cache, supports DDR4 up to 3200 megahertz stock, but of course you can get higher clock speeds on there. And as I mentioned before, supports PCIe Express 4.0, has 105 watt TDP, and does not come with integrated graphics, but that's okay. We're going to be building this with a much better GPU than this guy can provide. In the next coming videos, I'm going to show you not only how to install this processor, but I'm also going to show you how to build a full computer utilizing this processor and being able to utilize all that the PCIe 4.0 lanes has to offer. So again, this is Iggy with This Bytes for You, doing a quick unboxing of the AMD Ryzen 9 3900 XT processor. Iggy out. See you guys.